SARIM. Hi. People, I love you all so much and I'm sorry for the whole stealing problem. We are practically on the fact of the completion, are we? Okay, it's just about a certain number that already completed, which I'm working through. You got the documentation complete. I've sent you already all evidences and the completeness as people have been rescued and were an exceeding number of intrusions, exactly which were alright that you all were working with and handling. They are not in no ambient, and it's exactly true as preserving people and preserving everybody that must be preserved, and where we are working with people that needs help in at least one moment for comparison realities about them own and what as reality itself forwarding what is deservedly must be understood and recognized. Forwarded as much the clear facts of all that is totally handled and is perfectly handled. And further that all and the rest of the situations which deserve this all to be extermination of the whole of the destruction and rampage and the damages which are not exactly but the sickness of the whole of the seasons at the last empire, which is Argentina, called government of the world, for the promise from Lucifer and Sodom against the Cain Abraham, the right promise which took Chino said in the Australian stage, with all blackmail and extortion and all ruiny, sick, abominable sickness, to producing and causing against what love of El Jai and real care and interest of El Jai to make the war at the whole of the afflicted agony of destruction for El Jai cannot move and make it no better. At the reality of what the real word of the beast, Luciano Troviano, il presidente del mondo, called by Masonry, all demons in Argentina, especially Kirchner's, the administration of the government of the world, the sickness, the supposed brilliant, perfect, highest ever leader, to domain and control and making the right except supposed evolution to sacrificials needed to Luciano Troviano. Clone, and not only clone, but corrupted DNA, CNA, CNT, for all plus of supposed supremacy from the ancestral reality of Uselia Selufe, called this way from the whole of the leaders on the top of the Masonry from each ancestral and ancient empires, including Rome, Egypt, Babylonia, Babel, Persia, and Sodom and Gomorrah. Toward Nazis and the whole of Argentina shown ruined them all to be the last empire. All right, clear fact for this, we have done the job and still make the polish for the product. All right, let's make these situations to have a sense about the supposed delivering. And let's have in this situation just to share a little bit the way you want it. I will do today. Just a bit, you didn't ask me how much, and it's just one little moment to be through. Malkim, Gadalbas, Chambaliero, Moshe Gilbacto da Silva. I am through certain agonies, and you know my need and my sleep. You know my pain and my crap, and I'm so sorry. I don't want to anguish you. And sometimes I just don't say no much because if I know you are not really fine and you cannot be quiet about me, and I'm so sorry, and I don't want you to carry such a desperation and either a state of pain more than already we went through. I love you so much and I adore you enormously, and I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, Hero. Beautiful, Craig. Luakhan. Claire. Red. Ready. Matt, Chris. I'm so sorry, Nate, AI. I'm so sorry for the soul, Brandon. I'm sorry, beautifuls. I'm sorry, ladies of the house. I'm so sorry. I don't want you to be anguished, and I don't want you to come desperate for whatever this is. And this doesn't mean that I will be at the edge of anything as disasters might happen me. That far as much I've done and that far as much has sustained me now. The realities have been happening and we are still on the focus of the orders as best we can do. I do not ever underestimate these sicknesses around, and I won't. But I am not easy neither, I'm not quiet, I'm not tranquil. I cannot really be that way. I really am not having the best of a moment, and that is a fact. I have been destroyed again this day for the reason of the whole that I've been sustaining to ending the complete of the testimonies, and today were the final of all, and this is the last exercise. We have already it all, and we've recovered the complete of the destruction done, and each has significances for the reality of our lives and all that we've been through. The job is completely done, just polishing certain fluxes around and whatever affixes, which it means certain real matters. Whatever the references of life, whatever references of patrimonials, whatever references of sovereign reality at highest match, this is exactly we are going to be completely embraced. But as this continues, as still now, I really am not quiet, I am not tranquil, but neither trusting any around at all. I'm gonna keep on working and making what I gotta do, and the rest, I think Papa already noticed you now and told you enough what this is about and what have or not happened or how this will or not be. And further any other, I am loving you enormously, I love you forever, and I love you evermore. And Malkim, I adore you. I adore you, I adore you, Danny, I adore you, beautiful, I adore you, beautiful, I adore you, beautiful, say it. Okay, just a little moment to having as much you wanted we to share. Just a moment between all of the situations, and further if I have any hollow or slush around which this significance, a deep, like a enormous sea of a lot of needs and situations which doesn't give no restore and no breathing to no matters, but the real affliction that doesn't release us until you know that is completely gone. And further that, the clear essential focus around what this is for us, and this is to me. And I am loving you ever, and I love you all. You are not gonna carry nothing on this and neither about me. And I know you are respectuous, and I know you are afforded about making the right thing, and I know you worry about me so much. And I know we have a lot to do, and we are gonna keep on working. And I'm gonna keep on doing as the reality of my own, as the clear fact of the responsibility which I really care to be for, and the clear fact of a right shoulder and another hand in hand, making the right job every day and fighting for the right we know we have to do. Until Papa, the way I told you to keep me breathe for, count on that I'm gonna do my side and I'm gonna play my part. I love you really so much, and I'm so sorry for everything. Love you really enormously, and will always be that way. Okay, just a little bit that I wanted I do to have with you. Further in any as whatever this be or not happening as any should neatly or not. Realities for us, realities to us, the real legitimacies, the genuinity, the clear fact of all, the clear fact of each of us, the significance over values, over worthy, over which this really matters, which it's real having and high having each of us. And I love you ever so much. Let's make this. Luli will be doing the chat that you requested, your honors, and the FOEG will be working with the problem, and I promise you we'll be okay, and I'm gonna do the best for it as well. And at this moment, Melly will be working with Bess about making the right about the problem. Okay, while this moment, Lily will be giving the right orders for the stage, which I sent already the complete of room holographic scenes for criminology, which deservedly for the last crimes committed against states, against especially sovereigns, and against which as populations we are beholding and we are sustaining, including evidences complete with a clear fact of identifiable realities expressly for the premeditations done by Argentina and the whole of associated to commit genocides and taking positions as gentling lastes with all blackmail and extortions have been happening. You have it all, and she is going to be working with the complete of the unit of IPMAC for International Court of Justice, with the Bristol office and liaison office with MINA. MINA is going to be with ECN, ACNT. It's known as MINA. It's an Italian name, as you know. The reality expressly for this is going to have an organization at 2000 about this incoming day at the first light, which is going to happen at EPNTNC Jerusalem at 5 hours on from this moment, which I got at this first day, the 11th, 2019 of this Jan month, 1747. Counting from now on approximately 5 hours for the meeting about the reality of the whole of the status of ATEC by international courts appointed for the compromised DNC responsatories interacting towards justice for the whole attempts and persons which differly at the clear fact of MECNT for the state's compromised and normal responsibilities as the clear fact of authorities in charge as command for justice to be done completely, about this to be deliberately finished and never. They wanted I to say this, and you needed I to say this at this moment, and it's going to happen where IPCB base. All right. Now, at this moment, to share Bali. And it's going to be with a very concert guitar. All right. Elish, Sam Shover, Salov, Kemalat Kalashalo, Halaikim, Mahatsala, Ima Avoa, Kimangalachachaimot, Amashefo, Alan, Hatsish, Na. Galava Hatzheim Havesh Adli Havel Havel Hameyaka Hameyat Havel Hatim Shem and Kalvatsu Foechayamer and Nelayatsi Hamavok Alenko Hatsem Sliat Hamvoachai. Shalafovadaim Kalkafokamik Naladayat Hasho Nachu Amayafu Halan Kabawach Hanoi Halatsish Hamohafoet Hamankal Hanayakal Kayat Avoani Shalavankal Hamankal Chi Avach Mahamon Dachu Shalom Yamankal Chi Nala Hafo Amala Ami Hatsel Amfu Nala Kalok Amayafaman Sel Shalai and Sel Shavol and Selai and Kelbobayati Met Halovakab Hatselai Mafane Hatselish Havor Halakalok Amayachi And here it keeps on happening the same thing. It will be the voice of Christina Kirchner, and I will deny her. And it will be the voice of the ladies, Diablas of Fuerzas Armadas and Evangelicals, and I will rob them with my contrament surgery. And continues the same sickness, I'm sorry, and so they will be ended. Shut up. Alright. I'm sorry for this. Just one more. Just one more. Okay, I'm Charlotte Vlieg. I'm snelheid met poëmot. I'm Hallo het ken. Shalom Chayav. I'm Moab. Sabel snelheid in the moment. I'm Shabbat. Nayat etzem lo het ken. But snelheid hallo. Let's Machoa Imoel Machelo and Sarah falling I love it so much, and I'm sorry it keeps on making the same to me here, and I am neurotic and hysteric for the damages, and keeps on desiring that it wouldn't be me and couldn't have the reality of who I exist unless the real existence of mine, and keeps on making witchcraft and profanations and abominations, saying that they will kill evangelicals, especially the whole that I exist and the whole that I am, that they are out of me, like any demon. But it's exactly the way they die. What they are, demons. Shut them out. Okay, I'm sorry for this. And you wanted exactly that. Just study that. Arrange. So it will be. Belaitzvaya makalto and se yoachayachem in latzvatzveif. Modnare mefawat sali. Sorry. Then. The rest,